Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at some essential outdoor gear that you can get from KnifeCenter.com for under $50. With hunting season, and for many, camping season just around the corner, you might be wanting to add something new to your bag, or maybe looking to replace some aging gear. We know that quality camping and sportsman equipment can get expensive really quickly, so we've compiled some great outdoor gear that won't take a big chunk out of your bank account, yet will still endure seasons of enjoyment. A reliable fixed blade knife is an essential piece of equipment when exploring the outdoors. The list of tasks that you can accomplish with one is endless, and trying to brave the outdoors without one seems foolish, at least to us. Some of our favorite value fixed blades are the Knife Companion series. Aside from the low price, we enjoy the high-quality steel with razor-sharp Scandi grind. The rubber grip makes working with the knife very comfortable, especially as the temperatures start to drop. Add an easily carried and durable plastic sheath, and you've got yourself a true bushcraft knife on a budget. While we always recommend a fixed blade for heavy-duty tasks, it's still a good idea to have a solid folder at your side. When it comes to folding knives, you can't get more outdoorsy than the Buck 110 Folding Hunter. While there are no shortage of folding knives under the $50 price point, the 110 has remained an outdoor icon because of its simplicity of design and unmistakable American-made woodland aesthetic. Also, don't forget to pack a sharpener to make sure your edge always stays in working order. Pull-through sharpeners are easy to use and will help your knife keep a useful edge in the field. The best thing is they're affordable. You can find a wide selection at the Knife Center for less than $10. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of sharpening your blades, get your hands on one of our Havalon Piranta or Baracuta knives. When your edge starts to dull, simply swap out the scalpel-like blade with a razor-sharp new one. These are perfect for the fishing and hunting crowd looking for an affordable and simple solution for skinning and field dressing game with maximum efficiency. If you're camping out, then you're going to want to gather wood for a fire. A hatchet is a great tool for breaking down large branches into more manageable pieces or to simply drive in tent pegs. Estwing's Sportsman axe fits the bill perfectly, with a classic stacked leather handle and a hammer back end. The ergonomic curve and flared shape of the grip ensures solid contact, while the forged American steel body is made to last a lifetime. Another outdoor essential is a survival kit. There are myriad things that you may or may not want in a survival kit, and putting one together should be personalized based on the environment you'll be venturing into. What is certain is that you'll want an easy carrying solution. Essie makes some great personal survival kit pouches that will hold first aid essentials and emergency items for those just-in-case scenarios. Something you'll always want to include, however, is a good survival whistle. This one from Tops Knives will be invaluable if you get lost and need to be found. Outdoor activities are all about being prepared, and with all these affordable items that you can find over at Knife Center, you'll be able to tackle anything the wilderness throws at you. If you want to get your hands on any of these outdoor necessities, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.